studying the first chapter, Relations and Functions, and today we are going to do exercise 1.4, questions 9 to 12. The previous sums I have of the same exercise 1.4 I have done in previous videos. Please go through that. Today we'll start with question 9. If the function f is defined by fx is equal to x plus 2 when x is greater than 1, fx is equal to 2, minus 1 is less than x is less than 1, fx is equal to x minus 1 when minus 3 is less than x is less than minus 1. Find the value of these. Okay, let's take the first sum, f at 3. Okay, we have to find the value of the function when the value of x is 3. For that, let us find out where this range comes. 3. Where does this come? So here we can see that if x is 3, then this first condition is satisfied, that 3 is greater than 1. Okay, so we have to use fx is equal to x plus 2. Why? Because x is greater than 1. 3 is greater than 1. Okay, write down fx is equal to x plus 2. Okay, so here substitute x is equal to 3. So 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5. So value of function f at 3 is 5. Number 2, f at 0. Here the value of x is 0. And you can see 0 is in between minus 1 and 1. So this will satisfy. So we have to take fx is equal to 2. Substitute x is equal to 0 and you get f at 0 is equal to 2. Okay, third one is f at minus 1.5. 1.5 minus 1.5 lies in between minus 3 and minus 1. This. So here we have to take fx as equal to x minus 1. So write it down, x minus 1. So f at minus 1.5. Put x is equal to minus 1.5 in this formula and solve it. It will be minus 1.5 minus 1 is equal to minus 2.5. That is the answer. Last sum, f at 2 plus f at minus 2. Okay, let us now first find 2. Where does this lie? This is greater than 1. So fx will be x plus 2. So write down x plus 2, that is here x is 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. And f at minus 2 is, minus 2 lies here. So fx will be x minus 1. So my f at minus 2 is minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. Now add these two values. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 is the answer. Question 10. A function f bracket minus 5 comma 9 to r is defined as follows. Fx is equal to 6x plus 1 minus 5 less than or equal to x less than 5. Fx is equal to 5x square minus 1. 2 is less than or equal to x less than 6. Fx is equal to 3x minus 4. 6 is less than or equal to x less than 9. Okay, let's take the first sum. So here it is f at minus 3 plus f at 2. Okay, this is the first sum. So what I have done here is just to make it simple for you to understand, I have written down this range in this way. Okay, so I'm just writing down the values of x, possible values of x for fx is equal to 6x plus 1. This is just for understanding and simplicity purpose. You can directly do the sum. So let me write down this in a simple way, that is fx is equal to 6x plus 1. If the value of x is what? It can be minus 5 to 1. See, x should be less than 2. So you should not include 2, 1. So if value of x is any of these numbers, you should use this equation. Okay, fx is equal to 6x plus 1. Okay, next range is 2 is less than or equal to x is less than 6. So here we are equaling 2 also. So we'll start from 2. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the value of x should be less than 6, not equal to 6. So only up to 5. So if the value of x is any of these numbers, then fx will be 5x square minus 1. Okay, and then this range is 6 is less than or equal to x. So x has to be greater than or equal to 6. So 6, 7, 8, but less than 9. So I'm not taking 9. So 6, 7, 8. So if this is the value, you should use this equation. Now this I have written it for understanding and simplicity. Okay. Or you can directly do the sum with these values, no problem. Okay, let's go for the first sum. F of minus 3 plus f of 2. So here it is f at minus 3. Let's find out. Here the value of x is minus 3. See here, x is minus 3. So we have to use this formula. 6x plus 1. So write down 6 into minus 3 plus 1 minus 17. F at 2. Where does 2 come? It comes in this. So fx is equal to 5x square minus 1. Use that formula. Put x is equal to 2. 5x square is 5 2 square minus 1, 19. Now add this because that's what we want in the sum. Add it, you get the answer as 2. This is a simple way to do it, or you can from this itself you can find out the range. So here you can see 5 at minus 3 means minus 3 is in this range. You can directly write down this formula. No need to do this step. Okay. Next sum will be f at 7 minus f at 1. So here you can see 7 belongs here. So you'll use this formula. 3x minus 4. So substitute x is equal to 7 and then simplify, you get 17. F at 1, it will be in this 6x plus 1. So write down and simplify, you get 7. Then you can solve it, you get the answer 10. Third sum is 2f at 4 plus f at 8. F at 4 means it will be this formula. Fx is equal to 5x square minus 1. Use it. Okay, and find the value. And next is f at 8. Here it is 3x minus 4. So you can use that. So you have to 2 times of this plus f8. Simplify, you will get the answer as 178. Okay. Fourth sum is, again, this is the expression you have to find. Very simple, the same method. Find first f at minus 2. Okay, f at 6. Subtract it, that will be the numerator. And then f at 4 plus f at minus 2. Add it, you will get the denominator. And then you can write down the values. Minus 36 upon 68, that is minus 9 upon 17. Question 11. The distance s an object travels under the influence of gravity in time t seconds is given by st is equal to 1/2 gt square plus at plus b, where g is the acceleration due to gravity. A, b are constants. Verify whether the function st is 1, 1 or not. So write down this function. St is equal to, they've given this function. Okay, it is, we have to take different values of this t here, that is the time. We can take 1, 2, 3, 4 seconds. Let's find out the value of the function s at time 1 second, that is 1. So substitute 1 here, you get g upon 2 plus a plus b. Substitute t is equal to 2, you get 2g plus 2a plus b. Substitute t is equal to 3, you get 9g upon 2 plus 3a plus b. So you can see that for different values of t, you get different images. That is, all the images are different. Hence, it is a one-to-one function. Question 12. The function t, which maps temperature in Celsius into temperature in Fahrenheit, is defined by Tc is equal to f, where f is equal to 9 upon 5 c plus 32. Find these values. Okay. So here is the function. F Fahrenheit temperature is equal to Tc, okay, is equal to 9 upon 5c plus 32. So here we are going to find the value of the temperature in Fahrenheit. Tc is the temperature in Fahrenheit when the Celsius temperature is 0, when C is equal to 0. So write down C is equal to 0, solve it, you get 32 Fahrenheit is the temperature. When the Celsius temperature is 28, you again substitute C is equal to 28 and solve it, you will get the Fahrenheit temperature as 82.5 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, here the temperature in Celsius is minus 10. C is equal to minus 10. So here 9 upon 5 into minus 10 plus 32. Solve it, you will get the Fahrenheit temperature. Okay. In the fourth sum, they have given you the Fahrenheit temperature, which is 212. So we have asked to find the Celsius temperature. So here write down f. This function is equal to 212. Then simplify it. Take the LCM, simplify it. You will get the Celsius temperature as 100 degree centigrade. Okay. Now the last sum, they are saying the Celsius temperature and the Fahrenheit temperature are equal. Okay. Let it be x. So here it is, the Fahrenheit temperature is x is equal to the Celsius temperature is also x. Write it down. Solve it. You will get the temperature as minus 40 degree. That is the temperature when the Celsius value is equal to the Fahrenheit value, minus 40 degrees. So here we come to the end of the exercise. This exercise I have divided into 3 parts and I have made 3 videos. Please go through all the videos.